welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of VAIR community, and I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe. So today we are going to continue this series of 10 important questions for your CUET exam. I hope you have already watched the previous questions also, previous series also, because we are continuing this series and all questions are really important as the exam viewpoint. So without wasting time, we will directly jump on the questions. But before that, if you are new to this channel, then you should know how do we solve such questions. Whenever I view this screen, I know you are watching the video. So whenever you will see the question, you have to pause the video and try to solve it. If you are able to solve, that's really great. If you couldn't solve, that's also okay, because at least you have tried or you are doing something for it. So this is what a process should be there. So let's start the first question. Here is your question number 1 on the screen. First question. How will we solve this question? If the average present age of A and B is 18 years, average is equals to 18 and number of members are 2. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 18 twos are, because I know that sum is equals to average into number of observation. So sum of their ages is a 36. 6 years hence, A age will be 2 times age of B at that time. Means A plus 6 will be equals to 2 times of B at that time. So what is the difference between A and B? What is that? This is what they have asked you. So if you solve it, you will get A plus 6 is equals to 2B plus 12. So you can see A minus B is equals to 6. This is your first equation. And this was my one more equation. A plus B is equals to 36. So if you solve it, what will you get? If you subtract here minus, A will get cancel, minus 3B is equals to minus 30. That means value of B is equals to 10. If value of B is a 10, what will be the value of A? As I know that A plus B was a 36. If B is a 10, A will be 26. So what will be the difference between A and B? Difference will be equals to 26 minus 10. That means 16. So your answer is option number B. That's it. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. Varun invested rupees X at the rate of 8% per annum for 5 years. Now you have to pause the video and try to solve it first, and then you can watch the video. So Varun has invested X rupees at 8% per annum for 5 years and obtained a SI of 5,000 rupees. So what I know that SI is equals to PRT by 100. So we can find out this principal P. 5,000 is equals to P is X into 8% for 5 years. So how much it will be? 8 5s are 40. So this one will be equals to what? X will be equals to 5,000 into 100 by 40. Or you can simply take it as a 8 into 5 itself. If I keep it as a 8 into 5, this will be the 1,000. So it will be equals to divide by 8, right? So what will it be? 8 ones are 8, there will be 2, 8 twos are 16, 8 fives are 40. So it will be 12,500. So they are asking that had he invested the same amount at the same rate of interest for 2 years, how much would have he obtained as the compound interest compounded annually? So now my principal is at 12,500. So what will be the amount? Amount will be 12,500 on 8% for 2 years. So into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. So what will be these values? Double zero will get cancelled. Then 25 fours are and 25 fives are. And 4 into what? 4 into 27s are. So 105 into 108 will be 540 into 27. 0 as it is, 27 fours are 108, carry will be 10, 130 plus 10 will be 140. Sorry, 135 plus 10 will be 145. Sorry. So I know that amount is equals to 14580 and I know that P was equals to 1 to 500. So what will be the CI? CI will be equals to 2080. Difference of these two. So your answer will be option number D. That's it. Now let's jump on the next question. Question number 3 is here on the screen. Directions are answer this question referring to the letter sequence given below. This is this letters. If the letter of the above given series are written in a reverse order. Reverse order means what will you do? L, B, P, M, F, O. You will start from means whatever will be the left hand side, it will count from the right hand side. Means this series will become L, B, P, M, F. So which letter will be the fourth to the left of 11th letter from the right? Fourth to the left of 11th from right end. So what we know that left and right opposite means you will add it. 4 plus 1, 15th from given end. Given end is a right end. So from the right end, you will count the 15th letter. But I know that if I reverse this series, that means this Q will be at the last. R will be the second last. So you will count from the left because you have to answer in the reverse order. So 15th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So your answer will be H. H will be the 15th letter. That's it. Now let's do the next one. Question number 4 is here. Pipe A alone and pipe B alone can fill the same tank in a 5 and 4 hours respectively. A required a 5 hours, B required a 4 hours. So we can see LCM means total capacity is a 20 and efficiency of A is a 5 and efficiency of B is a 9. If the ratio of efficiency of pipe A and B together to the pipe C alone is a 9:2. So if you find out the efficiency of A plus B, this is a 9. So I know that A plus B is to C is a 9:2. Means A plus B's efficiency is a 9, C's efficiency is a 2. Then find the time taken by C alone to complete the tank. So if this, as I know that A plus B efficiency 9, so obviously efficiency of C will be 2. So what will be the time required for C? Total capacity 20 divided by its efficiency is a 2. So it will require a 10 hours. That is option number D is the answer. That's it. I hope you are getting this. Now let's solve the next one. You can pause it and then try to solve. So here how will we solve here? N and D greater than K, greater than equal to K, less than H, H is equals to O, and N is greater than J, J is greater than equals to H. And you can see both of them have asked for the N. So I will write here N greater than J greater than equal to H. I know that H is equals to what? O. So H or O. And O is a, H is a greater than K. So H is a greater than K and K is a less than or equal to T. So this is the equation you have. Now first one is what they have asked you, N is a greater than K. So if you find out the N and K, you can see the symbols. There is a J and H and all are the greater than, equal to, greater than. So first one will be the correct. First one will be followed. And if you see the N is a less than D. If you see for the N and D, one is a greater than. In between N to D, you can see this is a greater than, this is a less than equal to. That means relation cannot be determined. So second is not possible. So your answer will be only one. That's it. Easier. Now let's jump on the next question. Question number 6 is here on the screen. If 45% of X is equals to 60% of Y and the average of both the numbers is 20 less than X, then find out the 60% of Y. I know that 40% of means 40 by 100 of X. Actually, whenever it is a percent, we can directly write down, which is a 60 by 100 of Y. So you can see here 100 will get cancelled. 15 3s are, 15 4s are. That means X by Y is equals to 4 by, is it? Then what we know, the average of both the number is 20 less than the X. So average will be what? X plus Y is divided by 2 is equal to X minus 20. 20 less than the X. So this 2 will goes that side. So X plus Y is equals to 2X minus 40. So 2X minus X, X will be equals to Y plus 40. This is what we get equation. So if I substitute this equation here, X is equals to Y plus 40 divided by Y is equals to 4 by 3. So you can do the cross multiplication. 3Y plus 120 is equals to 4Y. That means Y is equals to 120. And what they have asked you here? 60% of Y. So 60% of Y, that means 60% of 120. How much it will be? Double zero cancel. 12 6 are 70. Even here itself, you can find out 60% will be 12 6 are 70. So answer is option number C. I hope you are getting this. Now we will solve the next question which is on the screen. Question number 7. You can pause the video and then try to solve. P and Q invested total amount 6,400 in the business for 12 months and 9 months respectively. 12 months and 9 months. If P and Q gets total profit of 3,600, out of which profit share of P is a 1,600. As I know that 3,600 is a total profit, right? Total profit. Out of which if P received the 1,600, how much will be Q receive? Q will receive 3,600 minus 1,600 means 2,000. So if you find out the ratio by Q, profit 1,600 by 2,000 is equals to investment of P is a P into he has invested for 12 months. Divided by investment of Q into 9 months, right? So this double zero will get cancelled. 4 4s are 4 5s are 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. So this 3 will goes to that side. That means P by Q is equals to 3 by 5. And what I know that the ratio of P and Q means total amount is a 6400. That means 6400 is divided in a P and Q in the form of 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8x is equals to 6400 means 1x is equals to 800. So which one they have asked you? Investment of Q. So Q has invested a 5x where 5x value of x is 800. So 5 8s are 40. That means Q will invest a 4,000. That's it. And how much P will invest? P will invest 6400 minus 4,000. That means 2400. Okay, that's it. Now let's solve the next question. A vessel contains 64 liters mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 9:7. 64 in the 9:7. I know that 9 plus 7, 16 is equal to 64 means 1 is equals to 4. So 9 will be equals to 36, 7 will be equals to 20. If X liter of milk is added in the vessel, the new quantity of milk becomes 75% more than water in the vessel. So, if milk by water, milk is a 36, water is a 28, and they are saying that if I add a X liter of milk, then it becomes a 75% more. That means if water is a milk, water is 100, milk will be 175. So, what will be this ratio? 25 4s are 25 7s are. So 4 1s are 4 7s are. So 36 plus x is equal to 7 7s are 49 means x must be equals to 30. So if you add 13 liter, it will be a 75% more than it. That's it. Now let's do the next question. Shopkeeper sold an article after allowing two successive discount of 15% and 20% on it. Means on the mark price. If shopkeeper earned 2% profit on selling the article and total discount allowed by him is a rupees 190. So first of all, successive discount. What will be the total successive discount? As we know that there are two discount 15 and 20. So 15 plus 20 minus 15 into 20 by 100. Shopkeeper has given a 32% discount. So on the mark price, as we know that 32% discount means he has sold at the 68% of mark price, which is equals to, sorry, they are saying that 32%, sorry, even we do not need this one. First, we can find out the mark price here. What will be the mark price? As we know that total discount is equal to 32%, but they are saying that total discount is equal to 192. So if 192 is equals to 32%, then 1% will be equals to 192 by 32. 8 4s are 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 4 1s are 4 6 are. So if 1% is equals to, this is for the mark price. If 1% is equal to 6, that means 100% of mark price will be 600. So you can say here mark price is equals to 600. Now I know that whatever is this mark price, on which he has given a discount of 32%. Means he has sold at 68%, which is equals to cost price into 2% profit, because this is the selling price. Selling price is what? Mark price ka 32% discount, and selling price is the cost price pe 2% profit. So if you solve this, what will you get? 100 will get cancelled. CP will be equals to 600 into 68 divided by 10. 17 4s are 17 6s are 6 into 100. So 4 into 100 will be equals to 400. That means cost price will be equals to option number B, that is a 400. I hope you are getting this. This question was quite logical. You just have to understand the concept, then you can solve it easily. Now let's jump on the last question. So before starting the last question, if you have any doubt in any of the question or anything regarding the exam preparation, whatever it is, you can ask in the comment box. Whatever will be the question, you will get the solution. Now average weight of group is a 36 kg. If a student having weight of 48 kg left the group, then average weight of a group is decreased by 1 kg. So suppose initial and the final. So initial n was equals to suppose n. So new n will be equals to n minus 1 because one student has been removed. Then average. Suppose initial average was the 36 as they have given average weight. So new average will be decreased by 1 means it will become a 35. So what was this sum? This sum was a 36n. And what will be this sum? 35 into n minus 1. And I know that from this sum to this sum, there is a difference of a 1 person's weight, which is a 48 kg. That means 36 n minus 48 is equals to 35 times of n minus 1. So 36 n minus 48 is equals to 35 n minus 35. So this 36 minus 35, 1 n, 48 minus 35 will be equals to what? It will be 13. 8 minus 5, 3, 1. That means initial number of persons will be equals to 30. Answer is option number. That's it. I hope you understood all the questions. And again, if you have any doubt, then ask in the comment box and you can get access to our live classes, mocks, strategies, free resources. You will get the complete roadmap. Number of things you can get. You just have to put TISS TISS in the comment box and our team will reach to you. So that's all. Thank you so much and don't forget to watch the next videos and previous videos also. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe and stay tuned.